How are you?
Hi, my name is Natalie, and I'm
Hmm.
from London in the UK. What's your name and where are you from?
Okay, can you guess where I'm from?
No, because I think it's rude to get to guess and presume someone's nationality.
Okay, by accent, you can just find out where I'm
I
from.
can't guess. No, can you tell me, please?
Okay, my name is Mohammed, and I'm from New Delhi, India.
Amazing,
Yes,
nice, great. And how's the weather there today?
it's sunny.
Nice, nice. Do you have like four seasons in Delhi?
Yes,
Oh, great. What kind of temperature is it today?
maybe today is maybe 14, degrees, and I don't
Oh,
know how to convert in Fahrenheit, but
yeah. I don't use Fahrenheit. I use the same as you.
okay,
Celsius. Yeah, Americans use Fahrenheit. I
okay.
don't know Fahrenheit either. Yeah, okay, nice. So it's lovely to meet you, Mohammed.
Yep.
Tell me, what are your goals regarding learning English?
See, English has been my passion since beginning, and however, this is my second language, and I started learning this 10 years ago, and I dedicated myself and my time in order to learn English and make my pronunciation better. And I wanted to be a public speaker, but sometimes when we plan something, it doesn't work according to our plans. So
That's correct.
uh,
Sometimes it
uh,
doesn't
uh,
work.
yes, gradually I got interest in information technology, and I have done masters in computer science, and I have been working for the U.S. customers for the last 10 years, especially in digital marketing expertise.
Wow, how
Yes,
great. Nice. And what would you like to do in the lesson today?
we can do just general talking. You may ask questions, or maybe I
Sure.
can ask questions. Yes.
Yeah, cool. So, what do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies? What are your passions?
My hobbies are just watching Hollywood movies and web series. I have watched several, and yeah, this is my hobbies to watch movies and talking with the people. Yeah,
Nice. And how are things in Delhi at the moment in the with the pandemic? Is everything back to normal?
actually, nobody talks COVID situation nowadays because everything is back to normal and
That's
people
good.
are busy in their life as
That's
usual.
good.
Yes,
Yeah.
so we even don't put the mask even in the going to the market. So everything is normal. There's no any kind of a situation, especially for the COVID situation. Everything is
That's
good.
good.
Yes.
That's good. Yeah, I've been living in Thailand, and everything's back to normal here as well. A lot of my students that are in China, though, I'm often shocked to hear like some of them are still in lockdown and things like that. Um, yeah, because apparently the situation is very bad there. So yeah, I always like to ask and see what it's like in different countries.
Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. What's your profession? What do you do? Are you a teacher?
Yes,
Okay, and you're from England, right?
yeah, I'm from London in England. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, so you got a new prime minister.
Oh yes, I forgot his name now. I look, like I said, I live in Thailand, so I've not really been following it. I
His
forgot.
name perhaps is Rishabh. Rishabh.
That's it. Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes, yeah. So, do you follow British politics?
No, I just watched the news since it was a very hot topic for several days, and everywhere on the TV, he was, being like he was kind of a, I saw his news, and he was elected by the British politicians, and everywhere in Indian news, we have watched that he was being prime minister.
Yeah, yeah. Because yeah, Liz Truss, she was removed, wasn't she? Yeah,
Yes.
she made a lot of mistakes, I think, and yeah, inflation got a lot of worse, and the
Yes.
energy crisis is very, very bad, and that got worse with some. mistakes that she made. Yeah, so let's hope he can do better.
Okay. So how long you have been in Thailand?
About a year.
Here. Okay.
Yeah.
And how many languages do you speak?
I speak English and some basic Spanish.
Okay.
And
And
you?
I speak our three languages, which is two languages the Indian language. One is my local language. Second is Hindi language, which is a national language for the Indian people, and the third one, which is English language.
Great.
Yes.
And uh, what's it like living in Delhi? Tell me, it's quite a big city, isn't it? How do you
Yeah,
find living there?
you can say Delhi is the capital of India,
Yes.
and Delhi is most famous, especially for information technologies and jobs and call centers. The Delhi is being outsourced by some high level of companies like Microsoft, Dell, Google. All their call centers are here in New Delhi, and this is the hub of information technologies. And people, immigrate from different locations to do the job, and this is the best place to work, but this is a kind of a very congested area. Like you're gonna find many people all together. Wherever you go, you're gonna find, lots of people. So the population is more than, you can say, 30 million people live in New Delhi. Yes.
Wow. Yeah, that's a lot of people. Yeah, I've been to New Delhi a couple of
Yes.
times when I was backpacking in India. I went there a few times doing some different, you know, traveling to different places. Yeah, and it was very interesting. Yeah, the first time I was there, I did a lot of sightseeing, and then after that, often I was just there to get a bus or a train or something. But I liked
So how many places you have been in New Delhi,
a
and
lot.
especially in India?
I've been to many places in India.
Have you seen Red
Rish,
Fort?
pardon? Yes,
Have you
the Red
seen Red
Fort.
Fort?
Yeah.
Yes. Agra. Have you visited Agra?
No, I didn't go to Agra. I went to Delhi,
Jai-
Jodhpur,
Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
Udaipur,
Yes.
Jaisalmer. What was the other one? Pushkar. Uh,
Yes.
I went to Chandigarh,
Mm-hmm.
Punjab, somewhere. What was it?
Yeah, Punjab is Punjab is a state, and Chandigarh
Ah,
is
I went to the
city.
place where they have the Golden Temple. I forgot
Yes,
the name of the city. What's the city name? Where that is?
it's Punjab,
Oh,
and
okay. Because I thought you corrected me and you said that was the state. Is there a smaller name for that
yeah,
place?
Punjab is a state, and yeah, Chandigarh is a city in the Punjab. It's Amritsar.
Yes, Amritsar. That's it. Yes, Amritsar. Yeah,
Yeah.
and that's on the border with Pakistan, isn't it?
Yes,
I
yes.
remember going to the ceremony as well where they have the
So how
changes.
did you find Indian people?
Very, very friendly. Yeah, very
Hmm.
nice. Yeah, I had a good time. My favorite place was Rishikesh. I thought that
Yes, I
was
have been
very
to
nice.
Rishikesh. Yes,
Yeah, I loved that. And I really liked as well. What was the other place? Dharamsala.
yes.
That
So
was.
have you come to India all alone, or just with your group of friends and family members?
I went alone and I traveled all around India alone.
Oh my goodness. You
Yeah,
travel lots of cities, These
I
all
did.
are the places for the, tourist places and foreign people.
Yeah.
And how many days you spend in New Delhi?
Oh, I don't know. 2 or 3?
Oh, okay.
Maybe two. Maybe two. Yeah, two. I saw
You
the what was it? There's this big temple that's very nice, beginning with A. What is the name?
There are many temples here
Uh,
in New Delhi,
yeah,
and
one where there's a lot of gold.
I have no idea.
Okay, but anyway, I remember nice.
Okay.
I liked what was the old city in Delhi as well. I really like walking
Yes.
around there.
Hmm.
What is it? What is that part called again? It's 8 years ago now. I went to India, so it's
Okay,
a long
you
time
still
ago.
remember? You still remember the names, you know?
Some names, yeah.
But you missed, Agra. Taj Mahal.
Yes, I
That's the
know.
place you had to visit.
Yes, I do you know I kept saying I'll go at the end, and then I ran out of time.
Okay.
Because I liked it in the north. I was spending a lot of time in Rishikesh and Dharamsala, and I met some friends there, and I was doing
Yes.
some yoga in Rishikesh.
Hmm.
So I put it off going there and then ran out of time.
Okay.
Maybe if I come again, I will go.
So, do you have any plan for the future?
I'm going to travel around Asia now.
Okay.
I'm finishing my job in Thailand soon, and then
Hmm.
starting a little bit of traveling around Southeast Asia.
Okay.
So that's quite exciting.
Yes.
Yes. What about you? Do you have any travel plans coming up? Do you like traveling?
Yeah, I like traveling, but since due to the pandemic situation and the busy time for my business, took me not to decide for any plans for the future. But yes, I planned before pandemic situation, but due to pandemic, I was locked up for 2 years.
Yeah.
And before pandemic, I applied for the visa for the US, but it was declined. And
Oh,
I have not been to the US or any other countries so far. Maybe in future, I will just plan some other few countries I have on the list, so I will be visiting soon.